In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Rust on PC with a controller. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step is to connect your controller. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do this process through Steam. So after you connect your controller on your computer, what you have to do is, in the Steam client, select Steam at the top left and go into the settings. In the settings menu, choose controller from the left over here, and you will be able to access the general controller settings as you can see over here at the top. As long as your controller is connected, it should be detected over here. As you can see, I have this Xbox 360 controller. Now, the first step is to enable most of the configuration support. You don't need to enable every single configuration support, just pick the ones that apply for you. So for example, the PlayStation or Xbox ones. Now, after you enable the support for the controllers, click on your controller and you can calibrate it by selecting Calibrate. You can test out your joysticks as you can see over here, rotate them, see the dead zone as you wish, and then click OK, or you can even do an auto calibration. Lastly, I recommend you go into the Define Layout option, and in here you can set up custom binds to each of the screens of the buttons highlighted over here on the screen. So take your time and customize your controller as you wish. Now, when you are done, you can close the controller settings and close this again. And as long as your controller is properly connected and detected, when you open up Rust, you will be able to access the options and change any of the keybinds from here to make them match your controller that you configured inside of the Steam settings, and you will be able to play using a controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Rust PC with a controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.